Believers Radio. Believers Radio.
Hey yo, welcome back again to Believers Records, the show where we drop your heat every 4 times of the week. Now in today's video, I got a drum kit for you, and it has midis inside of it. It's a lo-fi Rnb drum kit. Guys, this is a crazy ass drum kit. The sounds have been nicely processed. All you gotta do is just drag and drop them and you'll be okay. You have everything here to actually make, crazy, amazing sounds. So to demonstrate this, I'll be using Contact. But before we actually go further, you know what to do, man. Just go ahead and hit the subscribe button. It surely does help us a lot. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I drop you some heat. Now, without no further ado, let's get started. So I'm gonna play you the first MIDI, which is here. So go ahead and just play that for you. Sorry, let me play on a high octave. Alright, that's the first MIDI. I'm gonna play you the second MIDI. I'm gonna play the third MIDI. By the way, you can just use whatever BPM you like. I'm just using whatever I like here, so you can do whatever you like, bro. Whatever pleases you. So play the third. Play for you in a high octave. Alright, I'm gonna play the fourth MIDI. Alright, play the fifth MIDI. Play the sixth. Sorry, let me just play this on high octave. Alright, that's it for the midis. So I'm gonna play the drums. I'm gonna start with the kicks. So snares. Percussion. Play the hi-hats. Claps. (808). So yeah, man, that's it for the drum kit. So I'm gonna leave it right there. So yeah, man, it's a crazy ass drum kit. You gotta get this drum kit. So without no further ado, I'm gonna just let you go ahead and play around with this thing and make crazy ass beats with this. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and be sure to hit that notification bell. So without no further ado, I'm gonna let you go ahead and play around with this.
Believers
and I'm
Radio.
gonna see you on the next one. Goodbye.